Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this quick new slime I made. So I'm just going to show you it quick. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment if you really like this slime and you want some. Just put it down in the comments. So yeah, bye, love you guys.